We just built some raised bed boxes. We will be planting a vegetable garden with a few flowers for pollinators. What do you recommend we fill our beds with? And with this volume of soil, should we purchase bags or have something delivered? Thanks. And this is from Lindsay right here in Cordova. So as you can see, beautiful boxes there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful boxes.
Oh, yeah.
So she wants to fill it up with soil. So Joellen, what kind of soil mix would you recommend for
I would
that?
get a garden mix, and I would get it loose, you know, because there's a lot of places around here. If you call and ask for garden mix, they'll have it. And just make sure that the garden mix, wherever you're getting it, contains some kind of dirt. Besides the compost and besides the bark and everything else that they mix with it to make it a good planting medium, make sure there is some dirt in it, because you're going to want the nutrients that are in dirt for your plants. In those raised boxes, and it's going to be light and fluffy. I've used garden mix all the time,
so
and it's a very good product. And you can either have it delivered, and if you do have it delivered, you're going to have. I would put a tarp down, maybe in the yard, and
shovel.
Yeah, you're going to have a wheelbarrow. They'll dump it, and you have to cart it, or you can get somebody who has a truck maybe and go get a load, and then back up to where your boxes are, and then unload that. And if you need more, maybe the truck can go back and get another load. Either way.
I would say that.
Yeah, that's what I would say too, and maybe recruit some friends too, because
that's
going to be a lot of soil.
Hey, come help me out today.
I say you can enjoy some of the fruits and vegetables that I grow. So.
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
Have a party for them afterwards.
Oh yeah. Good garden mix though.
Good garden mix.
Right. Good garden mix.
With some dirt in it.
With some dirt in it. All right. It's going to make for good growth, good production of that vegetable garden. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.